Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use PayPal affiliate program for easy transactions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To use the PayPal affiliate program for easy transactions, start by signing up for a PayPal account if you don't already have one. Visit the PayPal website and click on the sign up button. Choose between a personal or business account, depending on your needs. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and password. Once you've created your account, log in to your PayPal dashboard. Next, navigate to the Affiliate Program section on the PayPal website. Review the terms and conditions of the affiliate program carefully. Fill out the application form for the PayPal affiliate program. Provide any requested information about your website or online presence to establish your credibility. After submitting your application, wait for confirmation from PayPal regarding your approval status. Once accepted, access your unique affiliate links and promotional materials in your affiliate dashboard. Promote these links across your channels, such as your blog, website, or social media. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. To track your earnings, continually check your affiliate dashboard for updates. Link your PayPal account to your bank account or credit card for easy withdrawals. Consider creating engaging content around your affiliate products to attract more clicks. Utilize email marketing campaigns to inform your audience about your affiliate offerings. Regularly analyze your performance metrics to identify successful strategies. Adjust your marketing tactics based on what resonates most with your audience. Always keep customer service in mind to ensure a positive experience for anyone who uses your affiliate link. By following these steps, you can effectively use the PayPal affiliate program for seamless transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.